After researching forums, workshops, and dealerships, I'm bringing you the real information about the most common problems in the Honda CR-V from 2019 to 2026. The goal is for you to know what to expect and how to fix it without panicking, because many of these issues have a solution. Many drivers first notice something that can be alarming: the automatic braking and assistance system acting on its own, even when there's no real obstacle. On forums and Reddit, some owners say things like, "The car braked by itself in the middle of the highway," or "I felt like the car decided to stop on its own." This doesn't mean the CR-V is broken. It usually means the sensors and cameras controlling braking might need recalibration or a software adjustment. Dealerships have addressed these cases through inspections and updates, and one mechanic summed it up: "These systems are smart, but sometimes they get confused by reflections or unclear signals. A shop adjustment usually fixes it." This kind of behavior makes the next electrical issue more noticeable. When sensors and electronic systems start acting on their own, dashboard messages and warning lights also appear, which can freak anyone out. Owners report the dash lighting up with messages like "power steering fault" or "emission system problem," and some features like remote start or cameras may temporarily fail. In many cases, this is linked to loose connections or a 12-volt battery dropping in voltage, and technicians typically check cables, sensors, and electronic modules. What's interesting is that all of this is interconnected. The braking sensors, electrical systems, and engine performance work together, so even a small fault can trigger multiple alerts at once. Speaking of how it feels to drive, several owners notice that acceleration and transmission can feel a bit odd, especially in hybrid versions. Comments like, "I press the accelerator and it takes a second to respond," show up frequently on Reddit and Edmunds forums. This is usually related to how the hybrid system manages power between the electric motor and gasoline engine, or how the CVT interprets acceleration demand. It's not a serious fault, but a characteristic of factory programming, although sometimes dealerships apply software updates to make the response smoother. As one technician said, "The car isn't overthinking, it's just learning to move efficiently. But with the right adjustment, it responds much better."